morning guys, I'm Sarai. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is pretty exciting. By the title of the video, I'm pretty sure you can see I'm getting my first tattoo. It's gonna be pretty cool. I'm super excited about it. You guys are coming along with me to, you know, see how everything is, and then at the end of the day, or even like tomorrow, I'll like kind of rate how it was and everything. Like pain wise and kind of like stuff like that. So this place that I'm going to is a local place. I looked at so many different places and this one had one of the best reviews in town, I guess I should say. So I hope it's really good there. This is my graduation gift. Just so you know, I'm not paying for it myself. My dad is. This is my graduation present from my dad. I am getting a palm tree on my shoulder. Let's go! So I actually had to print out what I wanted. So I'm getting this Mickey outline on my hip, and then I'm gonna get this palm tree on my shoulder. So I want it at least like, I don't know, 2 inches kind of. I know like in the picture it's like an inch, but I want it like this kind of. That's how big I want it. And then the Mickey outline about that size, like literally the size of like my thumb. But yeah, so that's what I'm getting done. So I'm super excited. I had to print these out so I could give her like a view of what I wanted. We're here.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
I'm excited. Thanks for coming. Would you please answer? So here's a little clip of my tattoo. It's just a little palm tree. It's very cute and subtle. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, my mirror's kind of dirty. It's really cute and just kind of subtle. It's small and dainty, which I kind of like. So that's my tattoos. What's up guys, it's the next day of me getting my tattoo, but that's how they turned out and I really like them. They were actually not that painful. I'm going to rate both of them like 1 out of 10 how much pain. The one on my hip was maybe about a 7 out of 10. The hip area is more of a tender spot, and I was told that before she was doing the tattoo. She's like, I just want to warn you, it's more of a tender spot, and I kind of figured it would be. That one was honestly not too bad, but to be honest, it actually kind of tickled because the vibration of the gun or the needle or whatever like was going like across my stomach, so it was like vibrating my stomach and it kind of tickled a little bit. I know I'm kind of weird, but it actually didn't really hurt, but I have a really good pain tolerance, so it like pain doesn't bug me that much. For the one on my shoulder, the palm tree, I will honestly probably rate that like a 4 out of 10. That one literally did not hurt like at all. It kind of felt like something was like poking me like slightly, and it didn't, I wouldn't say it kind of tickled, it felt weird, but it didn't hurt. Then again, I have a really, like, I can tolerate pain very, very well. So this is just like my experience, and a lot of people are totally different with pain and needles and all that kind of stuff. So honestly, the whole experience was just amazing. I looked at so many different places. I saw like how people were rating things, and this was one of the cleanest and one of the best places that I saw, and then luckily it's very close to my house. So it's really, really good. If you have like a low pain tolerance, I would probably recommend to get something on your shoulder for your first time, just because that's not a very tender spot for most people, at least. Like for me, it is not. It might be for most people, but yeah. So that is my experience and my overall thought about my tattoos. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and all my social media will be linked down below. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. So stay tuned for my next video. Bye!